Here's a situation. We're using Anki, and of course it has its learning algorithm, which shows us cards over time based on how well we answer them. Well, what if we just want to review an entire deck of cards to refresh our memory, but we don't want it to reset everything with our learning algorithm? Here's how to do that. I'm using the desktop app to do this. It can also be done in the mobile app the same way. We just got to dig a little to find the settings. And it looks like we can only do this on a per deck basis. I don't see a way to mix multiple decks together, but comment if you know how to. Click on the deck you want to review. As you can see, there's nothing to study here according to my algorithm, but it says we can continue studying with custom study. We can either click the hyperlink here or on the button down here labeled custom study. It opens up this box. I don't know exactly what all these different settings do, but for what we want to do, we click study by card, state, or tag. Choose how many cards we want to limit this study session to. Increase the number above the number of cards in the deck if you want all of them. Then choose all cards in random order, don't reschedule. That don't reschedule part is pretty important. Our only option here is to choose tags, so let's do that. In this box, just leave everything blank to include all of the cards in the deck. If you had tags in this deck, you could limit to certain tags or exclude certain tags. But just clicking OK will take us to our custom study session. Click Study Now to begin. It'll randomly go through the study cards. And when we click Show Answer, it will give us again, hard, good, and easy. It might show something else if you're using the more modern algorithm. Notice good and easy say end above it. These two options will tell Anki we are done with this card for the session and we won't see it again. Again and hard will place them back in the deck for later review during this study session. So if you get it right and you're done with the card, click one of these two. If you want to see it again, click one of these two. We basically go through all the cards until they've all been removed, and then we're done with the study session. When you're done with the study session, or even if you're not done with it, this custom study session will appear as a new deck in your list of decks. I usually go and delete this custom session when I'm done. It doesn't delete or affect anything from the original deck. So we're basically taking the cards we choose and copying them into a new deck to study without affecting the algorithm of the other deck. I hope this helps. Happy studying. Like and subscribe to support if you found this helpful.